Are you ready to upgrade your woodworking game? Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or just starting out, having a reliable benchtop joiner can make all the difference in creating smooth, even, and professional quality finishes. In today's video, we'll walk you through the best benchtop joiners of 2025, a comprehensive guide to help you choose the perfect tool for your workshop. Let's dive in. If you're on a budget but still want quality, the WEN3062 might just be your best bet. With a powerful 10-amp motor capable of 22,000 cuts per minute, this jointer is perfect for tackling everyday woodworking projects. The compact size makes it a great option for smaller workshops or garages, while the adjustable fence allows you to handle angled cuts up to 45 degrees. But let's talk about performance. The 3062 provides reliable precision for hobbyists and professionals alike, but its 6-inch cutting width does limit its versatility for larger boards. There's also a slight learning curve when it comes to setting up the adjustments and fence alignment, which may test your patience if you're new to the tool. However, for its price point, it's hard to beat the value this jointer delivers, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious woodworkers. Overall, the 3062 is a fantastic entry-level jointer that gets the basics right. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and comes with essential safety features like a spring-loaded blade guard and push blocks. If you're looking for affordability and function, this might be the one for you. Next, we have the WEN630, a compact and lightweight powerhouse that features a spiral cutter head for cleaner, quieter cuts. The 12 high-speed steel inserts provide an ultra-smooth finish that's a step above traditional straight blades. Whether you're squaring up edges or smoothing rough surfaces, this jointer delivers excellent results for its size. What stands out about the 630 is its portability and ease of use, which make it ideal for small workshops. However, its 6-inch cutting width might leave you wanting more if you frequently work on larger projects. Additionally, some users report occasional difficulties with the fence alignment, which can be a bit frustrating when you're trying to achieve precision. Despite its limitations, the WEN630 offers incredible value for anyone prioritizing a compact, high-performance jointer. With its innovative spiral cutter head and budget-friendly price, it's a worthy upgrade from basic models. The Craftsman is all about versatility, featuring a variable speed motor that lets you adjust the cutter head speed depending on the material you're working with. This makes it a great choice for woodworkers who want more control over their projects. The center-mounted fence provides added stability, ensuring straighter cuts and a consistent finish. However, the Craftsman does have its drawbacks. The in-feed and out-feed tables are on the shorter side, which can make it challenging to work with longer boards. Additionally, while the two-blade cutter head is functional, it lacks the premium cutting performance of spiral heads found in other models. That said, if you value control and adjustability, this jointer has plenty to offer. It's portable, user-friendly, and capable of tackling a variety of woodworking tasks with ease. For those looking to balance performance with durability, the Wahuda checks all the boxes. This jointer features a robust spiral cutter head with 12 carbide inserts, delivering smooth cuts and quieter operation. The cast iron tables provide exceptional stability and durability, making it a great choice for professionals and serious hobbyists. One of its standout features is the adjustable fence, which tilts up to 135 degrees, perfect for bevel cuts. While its compact design is ideal for small workshops, some users have noted minor flatness issues with the tables, which can affect precision in certain scenarios. The 6-inch cutting width is also limiting if you often work with larger stock. Still, the Wahuda offers outstanding cutting performance and a sturdy build that's hard to beat. Its combination of power, precision, and durability makes it a top contender. Stepping up to an 8-inch cutting capacity, the WEN833 brings versatility and precision to a new level. With its extendable table design, this jointer is perfect for handling longer workpieces while maintaining stability. The spiral cutter head featuring 16 staggered HSS inserts delivers flawless finishes even on tough grains. The 833 shines in both performance and practicality, though it's not without its challenges. Some users report occasional fence alignment issues which can disrupt accuracy. Additionally, while its 8-inch width accommodates larger boards, it may feel bulky for those with limited workspace. Overall, the WEN833 is a fantastic option for woodworkers who need a wider capacity and extended support. Its solid construction and cutting-edge features make it well worth the investment. If you're serious about woodworking, the Cutech is a game-changer. With its spiral cutter head and 16 carbide inserts, this jointer delivers premium-level finishes on even the most challenging materials. The extendable table design offers incredible support for larger workpieces, while the durable cast iron construction ensures long-lasting performance. Despite its premium features, the Cutech isn't without its quirks. Some users report minor stability issues with the fence, but these are relatively easy to manage with proper setup. At 8 inches wide, it's perfect for most medium to large projects. When it comes to performance, reliability, and versatility, the Cutech leads the pack. This is a jointer designed for those who demand the best from their tools. Rounding out the list is the Fox W1876, a solid option for those seeking durability and precision in a lightweight package. The spiral cutter head ensures smooth cuts, while the adjustable in-feed table lets you fine-tune your cutting depth with ease. Its compact design makes it highly portable yet sturdy enough to handle demanding tasks. The 1876's limitations include a smaller 6-inch cutting width and occasional challenges with fence alignment. However, for its price and build quality, it's an excellent choice for small to mid-sized projects. This jointer combines affordability and performance, making it a great pick for woodworkers who want reliable results without breaking the bank. And there you have it, our top 7 benchtop jointers of 2025. Whether you're after affordability, durability, or cutting-edge features, there's something here for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking!